Hello friends, so today this is the very unique architecture of India in Hyderabad, which is known as the global icon of Hyderabad, Charminar, where I have come to visit. So this is the awesome and unique showcase of the Charminar. So I am going to visit inside the Charminar, so let's see and explore together with me, which is located in the old city Hyderabad. Even I have come and visited so many times this Charminar, and this is my 4 to 5 times here because of the I have also completed my study from the Hyderabad. So today I have come here again after 4 years to visit the Charminar. So let's see and explore together with me. Let's see the beautiful icon. It is so unique. So thank you so much. Let's see and explore with me. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय तेलंगाना. So namaskar and greeting to everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I have come to visit the Charminar in Hyderabad, which is a historic monument, and this monument is symbol of Hyderabad and is featured in the emblem of Telangana. So the Charminar is situated on the east bank of Musi River in Old City, Lad Bazaar in the west, and to the southwest sits the Grand Makkah Masjid. So the Charminar is open to visitors daily from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. including weekends, and Friday is closed. The entry fee for tourist is 20 rupees for the Indian national and the 200 rupees for foreign tourist. Here we can see the magnificent view of the Laj Bazaar, which is located directly around Charminar monument, and this labyrinthine centuries old market, which is famous for selling beautiful handmade lake and glass bangles, high quality Hyderabadi pearls, gemstones and traditional textiles. The Charminar, which is global icon and famous landmark in Hyderabad, let's explore its deep history. So the iconic Charminar in Hyderabad was built in 1591 AD by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, the fifth Sultan of Qutub Shahi dynasty, after shifting his capital from Golconda to the newly formed city of Hyderabad. And the monument was commissioned to celebrate the end of a devastating plague that had previously swept through the city. So finally I came at the top floor of the Charminar, which is so unique architecture and design of the Charminar, which is known as the global icon of Hyderabad. So let's see the awesome view of the Charminar and explore together with me. I am at the top floor of the Charminar. So I am feeling so awesome here because of this is my 4th time I think where I have come to visit Charminar because of I have completed my graduation in BTech from Hyderabad. So let's see and view and enjoy together. Thank you so much. So after purchasing the ticket of Charminar, I came inside the Charminar on the top first floor, where we can see the magnificent and the panoramic view of the Charminar monument from the inside. The architecture of the Charminar is so unique and magnificent. So the architect of the Charminar is the Iranian architect Mir Momin Astrawadi, who was a prominent poet and minister during Quli Qutub Shah. And Charminar is built using granite, limestone, mortar and pulverized crushed marble. So the architectural style of the Charminar was built in Indo-Islamic architecture, which is a beautiful and distinct blend of Persian, Islamic and indigenous Hindu design elements. That is looking very awesome, unique and magnificent view of the Charminar. Then the original cost to build Charminar in 1589 AD was about 9 lakhs, which was equivalent to about 2 lakh huge gold coins at that time. And one incident happened at the time above the Charminar. A directly lighting strike severely damaged the southwest minaret of the historic Charminar in 1670 AD, and the upper portion of the minaret collapsed, causing massive damage and again repaired by Qutub Shahi rulers. So here we can see the magnificent and unique view of the Charminar monument. Falaknuma Palace and the Chamohala Palace also located just within 4 kilometers, which was built by the Nizam rulers, which is also very magnificent and famous monument here. And from the top floor of the Charminar we can see the magnificent view of the Makkah Masjid and the government Nizamiya hospital from here, which is also looking so awesome, and architecture is also so unique. So this is the all things about the Makkah Masjid, Charminar and the government Nizamiya hospital.
क्या हुआ?
So now I am thinking to go down on the ground floor from the first floor of the Charminar from this way. So this is the last panoramic view of the Hyderabad old city, and this is the way to go down from the first floor to ground floor, which is very scary way. How it look like danger. So even I am feeling so scary here because of the it's very labyrinth way. I mean just looks like Bhul Bhulaiya. Historic Charminar in Hyderabad is now illuminated every evening using energy efficient, eco-friendly LED lights, and graceful monument glow brightly daily and on a special occasions of festival. The monument features a special decorations, tricolor lightning just like Tiranga. So which is looking so magnificent and unique view of the Charminar from here. We can observe here. And Hyderabad has many nicknames and ancient historic names such as Bhagnagaram, Pearly City of India, City of Nizams, modern high-tech city which is famous for IT hub, and the Hyderabad Secunderabad which is called Twin Cities of India. And this is the magnificent view of the Charminar. And now I am going to seek the place of goddess Mahalakshmi in Bhaglakshmi temple which is just beside the Charminar. करागे वस्ते लक्ष्मी कर मध्य सरस्वती कर मूले तु गोविंदम पर बातें कर दर्शनम। ओम ह्रीं श्रीं लक्ष्मी भ्यो नमः। ओम ह्रीं श्रीं महालक्ष्मी व्यय नमः। ओम ह्रीं श्रीं कमले कमलाय प्रसीद प्रसीदस। ओम ह्रीं श्रीं श्री महालक्ष्म्याय नमः। ओम श्री महालक्ष्म्याय च विग्रह विष्णु पतये च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवो धियो न प्रचोदयात्। सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते। आगे वस्ते लक्ष्मी कर मध्य सरस्वती कर मूले तु गोविंदम प्रभाते कर दर्शनम। जय श्री मातेश्वरी महालक्ष्मी महादुर्गे महाकाली महासरस्वती। So I hope you all enjoyed my story and I am concluding it now. So I got a very good experience here nearby the Charminar monument and the surrounding Lar market and everything. That was so awesome experience I got here. So it's very awesome and very good time for me that I am feeling so happy right now after exploring and knowing the history of the Charminar. Even this is not my first time because before that I have also came here to visit before 4 to 5 years back. So जय हिंद जय भारत जय तेलंगाना, भारत माता की जय।